Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to layer heat transfer vinyl using the EasyPress 2. Using your Cricut or Silhouette, you're going to go ahead and cut all of your layers. Then you'll get your vinyl weeded and we'll get ready to layer onto our project. Once you have your vinyl ready, we'll start the layering process. What's good about layering heat transfer vinyl is it's easy to layer on top of each piece of vinyl. Unlike adhesive vinyl, you can unpeel and place as many times as you need to before heating. Once you apply the heat, that's when the vinyl becomes permanent on the project. So what I do is I'll go ahead and layer my design as it should look. I'll start with the bottom layer of heat transfer and then build on top of each layer, with the last layer being the last piece of vinyl I want to press. I'll go ahead and place the entire design on the project, but I'll peel away the rest of the vinyl and I'll start to press the bottom layer. For this project, I'm going to use parchment paper, but you'll definitely want to use a Teflon sheet, parchment paper, or even a thin pillowcase. Because usually pressing more than one layer of heat transfer vinyl, you're going to have exposed vinyl. And using the parchment paper, Teflon sheet, or a pillowcase will help protect your vinyl from the heat. After I have my bottom layer pressed, I'm ready to move on to the next layer. Again, I'm going to place my entire design over the project and then peel away the layers that I can't press yet. You can press more than one layer at once. You just want to make sure that your carrier sheets do not overlap. You don't have to do full presses in between each layer, you just want to do short presses, because if you do the full length of each layer, you're risking shrinking your vinyl. So here I can do two pieces at once because my carrier sheets do not overlap. One thing to remember when layering different types of vinyl is that you can layer glitter over smooth, but you cannot layer smooth over glitter. And that's because you would see the glitter texture through the smooth vinyl. And then after I have all of my layers pressed, I will go over it one more time without any carrier sheets, with all of the layers placed, with a full length press, just to make sure everything's permanently held onto the project. Like the video if it was helpful, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and until next time, thanks guys.